The 2026 Chery Tiggo 8 is the brand's most ambitious SUV to date, engineered to challenge global heavyweights like the Toyota Highlander, Hyundai Santa Fe, and Kia Sorento. Positioned as a premium midsize SUV, it fuses aggressive design, cutting-edge tech, and dynamic performance to push Chery into the global spotlight. Built on an all-new platform, the Tiggo 8 represents a significant evolution for the brand. It features a fully redesigned chassis, a more refined and upscale cabin, and a lineup of modern powertrains, including electrified options, that align with global trends in efficiency and sustainability. This isn't just a step forward for Chery, it's a statement of intent. Let's break down what sets the 2026 Tiggo 8 apart. The Tiggo 8 embodies Chery's latest design language, known as Art in Motion, which emphasizes flowing surfaces and strong presence. Dominant front fascia. A wide, chrome-framed grille with intricate 3D diamond patterning sets the tone up front, flanked by full LED matrix headlights with adaptive high beams for both style and safety. Sculpted, sleek bodywork. Sharp shoulder lines, flush-mounted door handles, and a floating roof design give the SUV a clean, futuristic profile. Every angle has been refined for aerodynamics, achieving a drag coefficient around 0.32. Luxury design details. Available 21-inch machined alloy wheels, sequential LED indicators, and dual chrome exhaust outlets on sport trims add an unmistakable premium edge. High-tech lighting experience. Interactive welcome lighting and animated LED taillights provide a dynamic visual signature that reinforces the vehicle's high-tech persona. This fusion of bold aesthetics and functional design doesn't just make the Tiggo 8 visually arresting, it helps improve fuel efficiency and high-speed stability, key for long-haul comfort and urban driving alike. Step inside the 2026 Tiggo 8, and you're met with a cabin that rivals premium European SUVs, spacious, meticulously crafted, and packed with cutting-edge tech. Every detail is engineered for comfort, connectivity, and versatility, making it a standout for families and tech-savvy drivers alike. Flexible 3-row seating. Standard 7-seat layout with split folding third row. Opt for second-row captain's chairs for a more premium 6-seat configuration and easier third-row access. Luxury materials, premium feel. Nappa leather upholstery with integrated massage, heating, and cooling for front seats, comfort that adapts to every climate and long haul. Panoramic smart sunroof. A full-length glass roof with electrochromic tinting automatically adjusts to reduce glare and block heat, keeping the cabin cooler and brighter. Whisper quiet ride. Active noise cancellation technology paired with double-glazed acoustic glass delivers a serene, almost library quiet driving experience. Immersive display experience. Dual 12.3-inch curved screens, one for the instrument cluster, the other for infotainment, paired with a 10-inch head-up display that projects key info directly into the driver's line of sight. AI-powered interface. Chery's Lion 5.0 AI system handles voice-activated navigation, climate control, media, and more, just say the word. Blazing fast connectivity. Built-in 5G enables rapid over-the-air, OTA, updates, live traffic, and cloud-based vehicle services for a future-ready driving experience. Rear entertainment suite. Dual 10.1-inch rear touchscreens offer HDMI input, streaming apps, and personalized media control, ideal for families on the move. Whether you prioritize performance, efficiency, or electric range, the 2026 Tiggo 8 delivers with a trio of smart powertrain options. Engine options. 2.0 liters turbo GDI, gasoline 254 horsepower, 390 Nm of torque, and 0 to 100 km/h in just 7.8 seconds. Strong, smooth acceleration for a mid-size SUV. Plug-in hybrid, PHEV 1.5 liters turbo engine paired with dual electric motors delivers 382 horsepower and 600 Nm. Electric-only range, 100 km, WLTP. Combined efficiency, 1.5 liters/100 km. 48 volts mild hybrid system. Designed to boost urban fuel economy and reduce emissions, this mild hybrid setup offers smooth stop-start transitions and regenerative braking. Performance and drivetrain tech. 8-speed automatic transmission. Smooth, responsive gear shifts that adapt to driving style and terrain. Chery Intelligent AWD actively monitors road conditions and adjusts torque to each wheel for superior grip on snow, gravel, or slick pavement. Adaptive suspension system. Electronically controlled damping adjusts in real time, softer for comfort, firmer for dynamic driving. The 2026 Chery Tiggo 8 isn't just about performance and design, it's also one of the safest vehicles in its class. Engineered with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, it's designed to protect your family while making everyday driving easier and more relaxing. Chery Pilot 2.5, Advanced Autonomous Driving Suite. Highway Assist, enables hands-free driving on highways by maintaining speed, lane position, and safe distance. Traffic Jam Pilot, automatically handles stop-and-go traffic, reducing driver fatigue and urban congestion. Auto Lane Change, with driver confirmation, the Tigo 8 can safely change lanes on its own, perfect for overtaking or navigating multi-lane roads. 360-degree surround view plus transparent hood mode. Offers a bird's-eye view and a real-time see-through underbody projection, ideal for navigating off-road terrain or tight spaces. Emergency Evasive Steering Assist. Detects imminent collisions and actively helps steer the vehicle to avoid obstacles when braking alone isn't enough. Rear Occupant Alert. Uses radar sensors to detect movement in the rear seats, reminding the driver to check for children or pets before exiting. Chery positions the 2026 Tigo 8 as a high-value alternative to pricier nameplates, without compromising on features or technology. Base model, 2.0 liters turbo, estimated at $35,000, $40,000. Plug-in hybrid, PHEV, estimated at $45,000, $50,000. This puts the Tigo 8000s below comparable models like the Toyota Highlander Hybrid, Hyundai Santa Fe FEV, and Kia Sorento plug-in, while matching or surpassing them in interior quality, tech features, and electrified range. If you want more for less, more space, more tech, more style, the Tigo 8 delivers in a big way. It's built for buyers who want premium features and forward-thinking engineering, without paying a premium brand price. The 2026 Chery Tiggo 8 is perfect for white check mark emoji, families looking for a roomy, tech-packed 7-seater with real comfort in all 3 rows, white check mark emoji, luxury seekers who want the leather, massage seats, panoramic roof, and digital cockpit, without breaking the bank, white check mark emoji, eco-conscious drivers seeking a FEV with a real electric-only range, 100 km WLTP, and ultra-low fuel consumption, white check mark emoji, tech lovers craving AI voice control, 5G connectivity, and semi-autonomous driving capability.